All right, we're here with a 3-box mixer of Immaculate, Triple Threads, and Top Supreme. You get any multiplayer cards, these will get random on random.org. We'll random it 5 times. Otherwise, someone owns all the cards, they'll get that. So let's go ahead and get started. First box is going to be the Topps Triple Threads 2014. Again, this is a divisional break, so you will only get the cards from your division. I figured we go with the division break just because there's not as many teams out there or not as many cards, so this way everyone's bound to get something. Should be a lot of nice hits in this. Everyone should go home with at least one hit, hopefully. 2 mini boxes inside the master of the Triple Threads. Good luck, everybody. Again, this will be on YouTube as soon as we're done. I'd like to thank blowoutcards.com for the great deal on the packs today. Get all of our cases from Blowout Cards. If you're interested in any boxes, cases, they're the guys to get you hooked up. All right, let's get started with the Triple Threads. Divisional break. Save the good ones for the end. All right, first, got a Robinson Cano to 99. 69 of 99, Robinson Cano for the Yankees. And a Sandy Koufax, 18 of 250. Dodgers, Jeff Bagwell for the Astros. Jeff Bagwell for the Astros. Dodgers. And then Roger Clemens. And the autograph base, Gene Shigura. 74 of 99. Going out to the NL Central. To the Brewers. $74 of 99. Doesn't want to focus. Look at 74 of 99. Not too bad. Get that one top loaded for you. And Nolan Ryan for the Texas Rangers, AL West, 17 of 27. Nolan Ryan, triple jersey relic. Beautiful. It's a very nice card. Going out to the Texas Rangers. Nolan Ryan. Triple jersey card. Very nice. Not a bad start. All right. Second pack. The NL West. Buster Posey, 60 of 125. Having some trouble with the camera today. 60 of 125. Buster Posey. And we got a Ty Cobb, Detroit Tigers, purple. 60 of 325. 60 of 325. And Jim Palmer for the Orioles. Jim Palmer of the Orioles, not numbered. Base. Ian Kinsler for the Detroit Tigers. And another Dodgers. Got Adrian Gonzalez, base. And going out to the Oakland A's. Jersey triple relic. Auto. Josh Donaldson, 11 of 35. 11 of 35, Josh Donaldson. Triple jersey auto. Very nice. Oakland A's, that is going out to the AL West. And for the Cleveland Indians, 29 of 36, Michael Bourne. Jumbo jersey relic. All right, that's it for our triple threads. Let's move on to the Supreme. Top Supreme. This will only have 2 cards in it, but they are guaranteed to be have an auto, both autos. All right, Supreme. 2 cards. Good luck. Not been too bad so far. And our die cut. Marcus Stroman. Toronto Blue Jays, 6 of 25. Marcus Stroman, 6 of 25 for the Toronto Blue Jays. Toronto Blue Jays, very nice. Nice Supreme styling die cut. And the second card, Gregory Polanco, 5 of 10. Red, going out to the NL East. Gregory Polanco, 5 of 10. Beautiful. Gregory Polanco. And for our final box, you have the Immaculate. This is my first look at the Immaculate. It's been a very nice product so far. I think Panini's really starting to make a little name for themselves. I know they don't have the total rights, but they're starting to make a name for themselves. Got some nice products coming out. Non-card autos. Sure beats the all stickers of the Supreme. Supreme is still a very nice product, but I wish they'd go with some on cards. All right, first, Garrett Cote, 63 of 99. Pittsburgh Pirates, 63 of 99. There's a Garrett Cole. Sorry about that, Garrett Cole. Pirates. And Eric Hosmer for the Royals. This one is 83 of 99. 83 of 99. I apologize, this doesn't want to focus today. It is an Eric Hosmer for the Royals. And nice 3-color patch. 90 of 99. Taijuan Walker. Seattle Mariners. 90 of 99. 90 of 99. Taijuan Walker. Very nice. A 2-color patch. Actually, Darryl Strawberry, Los Angeles Dodgers. Darryl Strawberry, 9 of 20. 9 of 20, Darryl Strawberry. Very nice for the Dodgers. And a rookie, 90 of 99 gold ink on black, James Paxton, Seattle Mariners. 80 of 99. 80 of 99, James Paxton on the black. That's a nice looking card. Very nice. Rookie inscriptions. Feels like it's like on a metal or something. I don't know, it's a nice looking card. And we have a redemption. Javier Baez. Immaculate Ink Platinum. I'll have to take a look and see who Javier Baez is. Can't remember for the life of me right now. If anyone wants to help me out with that, I'll go ahead and take a look. Javier Baez, redemption. And going out to Los Angeles, we have Matt Kemp. Matt Kemp, 21 of 49. 21 of 49, Matt Kemp. Dodgers. And a wonderful George Brett, Kansas City Royals. Number 9 of 49, relic. 9 of 49. Beautiful. All right. Let's go ahead and get a recap. First, we'll take a look. I'm going to take a look and see who Javier Baez is, who he's going for, and then we'll go ahead with a recap of all the hits. Just 1 second. Some very nice hits today. Javier Baez for the Cubs. Beautiful. Going out to Eric H. That's a nice redemption. Eric H. Beautiful. So that paid off. You know, you were looking at taking a little gamble. There you go. For the Cubs. All right, let's do a full recap. Obviously, we have the Immaculate Ink Platinum Javier Baez. For the Cubbies, George Brett from the Immaculate, 9 of 49. And 49, George Brett. And we had a Matt Kemp, 21 of 49. 21 of 49. Diamond Fabric, Matt Kemp, Dodgers. And we had the 60 of 99. Rookie inscriptions, James Paxton, Seattle Mariners. 80 of 99. Beautiful. 2-color patch, Darryl Strawberry, Los Angeles. Going up to the NL West. That was a 9 of 20. Beautiful. Taijuan Walker, Seattle, 3-color patch. Might even be a 4-color sneaking in there. 90 of 99. Taijuan Walker. And the Gregory Polanco, 5 of 10. 5 of 10. Gregory Polanco. Having a heck of a time focusing today. And then Marcus Stroman. Jays. 6 of 25. 6 of 25. Marcus Stroman. Blue Jays. Michael Bourne. Cleveland Indians. 29 of 36. 29 of 36. Michael Bourne. And future phenom, Josh Donaldson, 11 of 35. I don't know if he's so much future as in now. He's been doing pretty good. 3 jersey auto on card, triple threads. And the great Nolan Ryan, 17 of 27. 17 of 27. Triple jersey relic, Nolan Ryan. All right, all of these hits will be top loaded and sleeved and sent out to you. They'll probably go in the mail either tomorrow or the next day. I got a couple other breaks going on, so I'm a little busy. $74.99, but for sure they will go out. If not tomorrow, the next day, so you'll receive them in the next about 4 days. Bubble mailers and everything. Tracking will be sent as well. Thanks, everyone. If you have any questions, follow us, Rapid Cards Break, on Twitter. If you want to get in any other breaks, that's where you can find us. Make any suggestions. We really appreciate it. Thanks.